This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling essentials so you can act immediately. Gather LED, Fresnel lens, 3V motor, solar cell, battery, switch, waterproof base, and sealant. Once you have parts, cut tower sections and dry fit them to confirm height and balance. Make sure the lantern room fits the lens snugly. Prepare the wiring next. Strip 2224 AWG, tin and solder connections, and use heat shrink tubing to prevent shorts. This early work sets mechanical alignment and electrical reliability for later testing. Once the shell and wiring are ready, focus on optics and the drive mechanism. Mount the Fresnel lens so its focal plane aligns with the LED emitter. Adjust inward/outward in millimeter increments to maximize beam focus. Attach the LED to the rotating mount and dynamically balance the rotor. Small imbalance creates wobble and light flicker. Connect the motor. Add a small gearbox to reach 612 RPM for a realistic flash period, and route wires through a slip ring or flexible loop, so rotation doesn't fatigue connections. You finish by calibrating and documenting so the science is clear. Mount the Lighthouse on a level surface and measure beam intensity, lux at 1M, 3M, and 5M, record values and angular spread. Test runtime on battery and verify solar charging cycles. Note current draw and runtime in minutes. Once data are logged, photograph the setup and compile a short report with a graph comparing intensity versus distance. If the beam flickers, recheck rotor balance and solder joints. Imbalances or poor connections cause most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.